Tell me about your hood and how you even did it.
Well, I got
pretty neato.
I got the idea from Phil.
Yeah.
So I got Phil to make me up the hinges.
Hair, right?
Yes, Phil Hair, of course. Like, I wish he was here, but yeah, he hooked me up.
He
with
should be here. He's up from me this way.
I know. Well, he's up Toronto way.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Oh. So oh, you gotta. They're pins, right?
Yeah, I got pins that go into them.
That's crazy.
Yeah, so I just lock it down. There.
How long did it take you to do?
I got Phil did the hinges. I got my buddy to help me weld up the nuts on it just to give it a little bit more support on it.
So you don't have to weld the nuts technically?
No, you don't, but it's a lot safer that way.
That is freaking neato.
So they lock. That's all that matters.
Oh, is that going all the way down? That's like a leg maker, eh?
Yeah, it goes all the way down underneath the bog leg.
And you didn't have to cut up the
Nope.
the frame.
Nope.
Not bad.
And I finally cleaned my motor.
It's always been clean.
No, it was dirty last time. And then the fuse box cover I made.
Yeah.
And then if you go to Paul Malaka's car, I made him the fuse box cover, and I did this. It's all clear out too, just like the fuse box cover on his.
Nice.
So you can see the brake reservoir.
All right.
All right.
So the install.
Yes.
Tell me about what the heck's going on here?
Well,
what's going on?
The install was a pain in the ass.
Yeah.
But I had to take the fenders off. So when I take the fenders off, I have to tape up the door.
Yeah.
So up top, off to the side, so it doesn't move anywhere in place.
Yeah.
So it's all solid. So then take the hinges off, bolt up the bracket, like put the bracket in, line it all up,
Yeah.
and then bolt it from there.
Yeah.
And then do all your adjusting.
Holy
Then the fender, the lip on the inside of the fender, you have to cut off.
Right.
So I've cut about 1.5 inches in, about 8 inches down.
How long did this whole take?
It actually, the one side took me about 3 hours. The other side took me a couple hours.
Damn.
Had a little bit of help.
Damn. Look at that.
Oh yeah, solid set.
In the back too?
No, not yet.
Not yet. You're doing the same thing?
Yes. So yeah, I'm gonna do the back. I'm hoping a gentleman gets back to me.
Yeah.
He's got a set on the Charger, so.
Rims. Where'd you get the rims?
Oh, they were on the car when I got them.
Offsets? Any offset plates?
Nope.
Or just throw them on there?
They were just thrown on.
So you're saying you're able to get a dish without any freaking plates on?
Yep.
Damn.
Yep. And that's,
Mopar, no car.
Yeah. It's perfect. It's the perfect offset for those.
Yeah, yeah.
And I got a lot of tuck, so I can even get my hand in there, no problem.
Yeah.
So
Looks
she
good.
doesn't rub.
Looks good, man. Nice.
But I'm thinking of going 20s. Go a little bit lower and go 20s.
These are 22s?
Yeah, those are 22s.
Go 20.
I want to go.
Go 20.
But I got no problems with the 22s. They ride nice. Yeah.
Freaking beautiful. Oh, tell me about this. It looks custom. What's going on here?
Oh, what, my car?
Oh, the whole thing. The side.
I got my captions. They're my D2 V2s.
Yeah.
The box is custom made. My buddy Kyle up in Bowmanville custom made it for me.
Yeah.
It's 2-spec at 33 hertz. And then
Looks like it pounds, buddy.
Oh, it pounds.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, yes.
Uh-oh. Boom.
So, I got my captions.
You sponsored, bro?
No, I'm not sponsored. I wish. But I got my 1201s. Each of these pound my subs. This one's going to be my fronts when I get everything hooked up.
Yeah.
That's 400 times 4, so I got 2 sets of components to put into it.
Gosh darn it, I love it.
So,
are you painting this?
yeah, it's all getting fiberglass.
Damn.
So everything in here is all going to get remolded, fiberglass through.
Yeah.
So.
Woo! What exhaust you running in this baby?
I'm running from single exhaust to true dual. It's a 3.5, and I'm running Super 44s.
Woo!
Dual, true dual on this thing now.